Alam nyo ba na ang Steeltech is a metal fabrication na located in Lucena City? Yes, tama! There's a local tank fabricator here in Lucena City na nagpo-produce ng mura at kalidad na produkto. Steeltech also delivers product in Southern Luzon! Imagine, a 30,000 gallons of forest tank. Mukhang matagal gawin, di ba? But Steeltech can deliver in a month! Steeltech also offers water tank, oil tank, fuel tank, and more! Tingnan nyo tong 800 liters na to. Wala pang 2 days, tapos na! Pero, makinis at pulido ang pagkakagawa. Mabilis at quality produkto, hatid namin sa inyo. That's how we are committed in our services. Kaya saan ka pa? Pagdating sa storage tank, stay still because we got your back at Steeltech.